गुरवे गौरचंद्राय राधिकायै तदारै कृष्णाय कृष्णभक्ताय तद्भक्ताय नमो नमः। वंशकल्पद्रुवस्य कृपा सिन्धुभयेव च पतितानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो नमः। नमो महावदन्नाय कृष्णप्रेम प्रदायते कृष्णाय कृष्णचैतन्यनाम्ने गौरकिशोरे हे कृष्ण करुणा सिन्धु दीनबन्धु जगत्पते कांत राधाकान्त नमोस्तुते तप्त कांचन गौरांगी राधे वृंदावनेश्वरी वृषभानुसुते देवी प्रणमामि हरिप्रिये ॐ वृंदावै तुलसी देवै प्रिया वै केशवस्य च कृष्ण भक्ति प्रदे देवी सत्तवत्रै नमो नमः। श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासदि श्री गौरभक्तवृंद हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, offer my humble, respectful obeisances unto lotus feet of my spiritual master, Nitya Lila, Pravishtam Vishnupad, Astutra Satasya Srimad Bhakti Vedanta Siddhavaman Goswami Maharaj, and Nitya Lila, Pravishtam Vishnupad, Astutra Satasya Srimad Bhakti Vedanta Siddhavaman Goswami Maharaj. Simultaneously, offer my humble, respectful Dhanavad Pranam Lotus feet of Nitya Lila, Pravishtam Vishnupad, Astutra Sadhguru Bhaktivedanta Swami Maharaj, Srila Bhaktivedanta Bharati Goswami Maharaj, and all senior devotees and all Vaishnavis, and presented all of my respectful guests. So today I want to discuss about the life history of Prabhupada Saraswati Pad, because 2 days before the Disciplines Day of Prabhupada Saraswati Pad, but I, I was very busy for this regard. I did not speak about him anyhow. So today I little bit also glorify about Prabhupada Saraswati Path and his contribution. And in our Gaudiya Sampradaya, he was very prominent person, especially Rasik Acharya, and also in Radha Krishna Lila, that is called, he is called Tungavidya Sakhi. Then, and he wrote also many Ras Madhurya Grantha, and also glorified about Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Gaur Ganadis Dipika very clearly explained, and ये तुंगविद्या ब्रजे आसी सर्वशास्त्र विशारदा ता प्रवधानंद ज्योति गौरोद्गान सरस्वती, and who was in Braj in and he was very expert all kinds of Shastriya Vidya, and there is called Tungavidya Sakhi. Now he appeared in the Leela of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu Gaur Leela, that is called Prabodhananda Saraswati Pad, and and his prominent disciple, that is called Gopal Bhatta Goswami, and Gopal Bhatta Goswami, who took initiation from Prabodhananda Saraswati Pad. And Prabodhananda and Haribhakti Vilas very clearly explain Bhakti Vilasa Sanskshunati Prabodhananda sa Sisya Bhagavat Priyasya Gopal Bhatto Raghunath Dasam Santoshanam Rupa Sanatano Cha. In Haribhakti Vilas very clearly explain, I pay my obeisances, Lord for Rupa Goswami, Sanatana Goswami, Raghunath Das Goswami, and was very near and dearest of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, and especially Gopal Bhatta Goswami, he was the prominent disciple of Prabodhananda Saraswati Pad, and who also collect all the slokas of Hari Bhakti Vilas from South India and Panditas. So so Prabodhananda Saraswati Pad, he was an transcendental poet, Apragita, Kavi, and his all his granthas and very sweet and also um, pleased to all the devotees. Bhakta Chittakarshak. Especially he wrote Vrindavan Dasa Satakam, Navadip Satakam, Radharo Sudhaniti, Chaitanya Chandramrit, Sangit Madhav, Ascharya Ras Prabandha, Shruti Stuti Vyacha, Kambij Gayatri Mantra, Vyacha, and also he wrote Git Govinda commentary. And he also wrote one grantha that is called Vivek Sataka. So Prabodhananda Saraswati Path, a very prominent Rasik Acharya. When Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu took sannyas and he came in Jagannath Puri, then he delivered Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya Uddhar. Then Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu proceeded to South India. And he met with Rai Ramananda in Kavur on the bank of Godavari. Then Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu came in the place of Srirangam and in South India. Then Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he was dancing and singing in front of Srirangamji. And when Mahaprabhu was dancing, singing, then all the visitors, they completely intoxicated and with the beauties of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. And then that time, Sri Sampradayas and devotees, Venkat Bhatta, Trimalla Bhatta, and Prabodhananda Saraswati, they also saw Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's and mood and activities, so they completely intoxicated with Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. They invited to Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu in their house. So that time was 4 months, that means Chaturmasya had come. And Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he was staying in the house of Bhatta Parivar, the families of Bhatta. That means Venkat Bhatta, Trimalla Bhatta, and Prabodhananda Saraswati. And they also took Diksha mantra from Sri Sampradaya, that is called Ramanuj Sampradaya. And especially Prabodhananda Saraswati Pad, he also took sannyas from Sri Sampradaya, that is called Ramanuj Sampradaya. And that time Gopal Bhatta Goswami, and that time he was very small, and he Gopal Bhatta, his father's name was Venkat Bhatta, and so Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was staying 4 months in the house of Bhatta Parivar and families of Bhatta. And that time Gopal Bhatta Goswami was very small, so Gopal Bhatta Goswami, he served to Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and was so much attached with Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. And so Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, when he was staying in their house, then every day Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu gave nice, sweet, beautiful, sweet pastimes of Krishna Katha. And especially Gurudev, he told, because Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu just he met with Rai Ramananda Sangvad. And so for this regard, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, every day he spoke about high class Rasamadhurya Katha of Gopis from Srimad Bhagavatam, Raslila Katha, Venugit, Jugal Geet, Gopi Geet, Brahmar Geet, and all these high class katha, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu every day and spoke with them. Then they also so much intoxicated with Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, listen very sweet pastimes of Krishna. And then Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu one day asked to them, um, Bengal Bhatta, Timalla Bhatta, and Prabhananda Saraswati, your Ishtadev Lakshmi Devi. And so I heard about in the Shastra Lakshmi Devi, she is 1.8 with Narayan, that is called, and she is the Sati Siddhi Nari. She is very and chaste lady, and Sati Siddhi Nari, and she is 1.8 with Narayan. But I heard ye Lakshmi Devi, she also performing heart austerities in Vrindavan and to meet with Krishna. And why? Because Lakshmi Devi, she is chaste lady, 1.8 with Narayan. Then why she must intoxicate with Krishna? Krishna, he is called also Gopajati. Hmm? This way. And in this way, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu joked with them because so much intimacy, friendship with their families. For this regard, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu joked with them. Why your Ishtadevi, Lakshmi Devi, she wanted to meet with Krishna eh, and want to enter in the Ras dance. And for this regard, he performed hard austerities. Um, so maybe she lose her chastity. In this way, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu joked. Then they told Prabhu, why you are joking with us, our Ishtadevi Lakshmi Devi? Because in our Shastra also explained there are no difference Krishna and Narayan, Narayan and Krishna, Ramadi Murtisu Kala Nemuna Tishtan Nana Avatara Makula Bhavane Sukintu. And so there are no difference between Ram, Nisinga, Kolki, Baraha, Narayan and Krishna, because Lord is one. And then another slok also explaining Siddhanta Tattva Vedisu Upi. According to the conception of the scriptures, there are no difference between Narayan and Krishna, because same Krishna manifested in the form of Narayan. So for this regard, they told Prabhu, why are you saying this? But and Krishna has Sajiv Ras Madhurya is there. For this regard, Lakshmi Devi, she wants to uh, release the Madhurya Ras from Krishna, because there are no difference between Krishna and Narayan. Rasanot Utkrishta Rasa Evam Eva Sthiti. So why you joked with us? Then Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu told, okay, you are saying this is true. There are no difference between Narayan and Krishna. But I heard also Shrutis, and they also perform hard austerities to enter in the Ras dance. Some Shrutis, they also enter in the Ras dance, and they perform sweet lila with the gopis in the Ras, gopis with Krishna Ras lila. But Lakshmi Devi, she did not enter. And Srimad Bhagavad very clearly explained the Kasan Vasudeva Vidme Sarvang Tavang Renu Parsadhikar. And Sri Lorana Charutapa Viha Kamana Suti Dhruti. This look is very clearly explained this way. So why Lakshmi Devi, she did not enter in Ras dance with the gopis and meet with Krishna? But Shrutis, Gopal Tapane, Upanishad, some Upanishad, they manifested in the direct form and perform hard austerities. They enter in Ras dance. Why? And that time they told, we don't know. That time Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu explained very nicely. The actual Narayan has 60 qualification. Ramchandra has 62 and a half qualification, and Krishna, who is the Supreme Personality of Godhead and son of Bhajanandan, Samson, the son of Nanda Maharaj, Krishna has 64 qualifications. But 4 qualifications that are unique and unparalleled. That is called Rupamadhurya, sweetness of his beauty. eh, That is called Rupa Madhurya. Then Lila Madhurya, sweetness of his pastimes also. Then Prema Madhurya, sweetness of his divine and love, and also Venu Madhurya, sweetness, the sound of his flute. These 4 things are unique and unparalleled. Only this Krishna he has. And even everybody completely intoxicated with Krishna's beauty and the sound of the flute. And even though there are no difference between Krishna and other incarnations, but all the incarnations they are hankering to take darshan of beautiful form of Krishna. And so our scriptures very clearly explain this way. And there is called Krishna's extraordinary and qualification. So Lakshmi Devi, she also attracted with Krishna's this and 4 things. So much greed has come in her heart. And so for this regard, especially Krishna performed sweet Lila, that is called Ras Lila, Jai Jai Jalorasa Sarvarasa Sar, Parakiya Bhavi Jahatha Brajite Prachara. Krishna's topmost Lila, that is called Parakiya Rasa Lila. Rasate Asaditi Rasa. And so Lakshmi Devi, she wants to enter in Ras dance and perform hard austerities in Vrindavan and on the bank of the Joguna in Belwan. But Krishna told to her, if you want to enter Ras dance, you have to follow some rules. And first you give up your Brahmani, Abhiman, egos of your Brahmani. Then you have to take birth in Braj Janma, in the womb of Gopis, Gopi Liha Prapta. And you also associate with Braj Gopis and also fatting the cow dance. You have to marry with one Gopa. Then with the sweet attachment, Anurag with Krishna, then you may enter his Ras dance and under guidance of the Braj Gopis. But Lakshmi Devi did not want to follow all these rules. And so for this regard, Krishna did not accept her in as like Braj Gopis. And so for this regard, she did not enter in Ras dance. Actually, Lakshmi Devi, she wants to enter the Ras dance in her Lakshmi form. But this is not possible. And Krishna has one special thing that is called Krishna, he told, Ami Gop Jati, Gopi Bina Anne Nakari Angikar. Krishna says, I takes birth in Gopa dynasty. So without Gopa dynasty, Gopis, I cannot accept. And so this is Krishna's very special things also. And Ami Gop Jati Gopi Bina Anne Nakare Angikar. And so Krishna did not accept to Lakshmi Devi, and Lakshmi Devi, she did not get permission from Jogamaya to enter in the Ras dance of the Gopis. Nayam Sivangu Nitantate Prasadato for Joshita Lalina Ganda Kutur Chonnang. Rasutsavi also Bhujadand Grihito Kanta Jad Udga Jabriya Sundari Nam. Uddhav Stuti very clearly explained. What you will say to the in this material world, the ladies, and even the sweet beautiful form of the ladies in heaven, so much sweet fragrance coming from their bodies, such as the fragrance of lotus, and also Lakshmi Devi, Jalarna, Charuttapa, even Lakshmi Devi cannot enter in the Ras dance. Um, but gopis, how they fortune, they also perform Ras dance with the gopis, and Krishna hold their neck with his two hands. So the Nayam Sriungu Nitandrite Prasadata for Joshita Nulena Ganga Ruchukutanang Rasutsavyasa Bhujadan Grihitu Kantha Labdhas Brajasundarinam. So Brajasundaris, gopis, how they are great fortune, Mahan Subhagavan. And because Lakshmi Devi she cannot enter in a residence. And so in this way, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu proved, and he, without associate with the Braj Gopis and also do bhajans under guidance of Nitya Siddhas Parikas, Radha, Lalita, Abhisheka, and any method you cannot enter in Ras dance. But Lakshmi Devi she did not to follow the instruction of the gopis. There is a gopis anugatta. Lakshmi she does not want to gopis anugatta, following the instruction of the gopis. So for this regard, she did not. So in this way, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu very nicely glorified, and Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu glorified about Krishna and gopis, and especially Srimati Radhika, Srimati Radhika Tattva, Radha Tattva, especially Srimati Radhika, she is called the pleasure potency of Krishna. And Krishna Radhini Sakti. Krishna ke Ananda Day Naam Radhini. That means Srimati Radhika, she gives pleasure to Krishna. For this regard, her name is Radhini Sakti. Krishna Re, and Krishna and Srimati Radhika, she makes dance to Krishna also. With her, this pleasure and activity also. Ananda. And especially Srimati Radhika's qualification that is Madanakho Mahabhav for this regard, and Krishna completely was controlled by the prem of Srimati Radhika. Sam ke Korai, Sam Rosh Madhupan. So in this way, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu gave so many nice, beautiful explanation about Lakshmi Tattva and the Tattva of Dwarka's Queen's Tattva and also Braj Gopi Tattva. In Chaitanya Chaitamritam, Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami very clearly explained about three Tattva: Lakshmi Tattva, and in Vaikuntha, and Dwarka, the Queens of Dwarka, Mahishi Tattva, and also the Tattva of Braj Gopis. In Chaitanya Chaitamrita, in this Chaitanya Mahaprabhu explained, and finally Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu explained about Gopis Mahima. And the glories of the gopis are among of all the gopis, Srimati Radhika is the topmost. And so, so Krishna Tattva, Gopi Tattva, Radha Tattva, everything Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu explained. And even all the what is called queens of Dwarka, they also hankering how to receive the wonder sprinkle and food dust of Srimati Radhika. And even Lakshmi is also Lakshmi's Brahmani, the wife of Brahma, the wife of Shiv, Shivani. All they are hankering how to receive wonder food dust of Srimati Radhika. And all kinds of mystic power manifested from the lotus feet of Srimati Radhika. Anandakoti Vishnu Duka Namra Padma Jarchite Himadrija Pulu Maja Birinchaja Baraprade Apara Siddhi Riddhi Siddhi Sat Padanguli Nake Kadakari Sasyamang Kripakatak Bhajanam. Radha Kripakatak very clearly explained this tattva also, how all they are hankering how to receive one the sprinkle for dust of Srimati Radhika. Even Uddhav, who is very nearest and dearest of Krishna in Dwarka or Mathura, Uddhav came in Braj. Uddhav again and again bow down his forehead, lotus feet of Srimati Radhika. asamoh charnung jusamungsam vrindavane kimupi gulmaloto siddhinam ja dusta jasa janarja pasant hitva bhejul mukund padavi sutivi vigram bande nanda brajastunam pad renu abhiksnasha jasang hari katho gito punati bhuvanatram. Then Uddhav again and again recited this mantra. Right? So Uddhav, he did not attain this highest frame of Srimati Radhika, but he is hankering how attain Vanda dust of Srimati Radhika, Radhika Charnarenu. So our Raghunath Das Goswami explained, and Anaradha Radha Padam Mujarenu, Anasrita Vindavatavi Tatpadankam, Asambhasa Tadbhava Gambhira Chittan, Katosama Sindhu Rasa Savagaho. And if you want to submerge in the Samras, that is called Singar Rush, highest transcendental and Paramud and Madhurya Rush, you have to follow the three principles. First, you have to 1.8 with Srimati Radhika, that is called Radhika Nishtha. Second, you have to stay in Braj, that is called Brajvash, and where Radha Krishna they perform sweet aromas pastimes. You have to stay in that place in Vrindavan, not everywhere. And Jatraiva Radhadiputta, and where Srimati Radhika she performed sweet aromas pastimes with his beloved Krishna. You have to stay in that place of Vrindavan, not everywhere. As like Seva Kunja, Nidhuvan, Nikunjavan, and Gugiraj, Govardhan, or Radha Kunda, and Javat, Kakilavan, this place where Radha and Krishna they perform sweet and amorous pastimes. So in this way. So anyhow, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu glorified about Braj Madhurya Lila Katha, especially Srimati Radhika and Krishna's sweet Lila Katha. Then they also their mind completely changed, and they also perform bhajan sadhan to Srimati Radha and Krishna. Before they were the devotees of Lakshmi Narayan, now they are the devotees of Radha and Krishna. So in this way, Prabodhananda Saraswati Pad and all his families, they completely also change their spiritual life. That means Sri Sampradaya to Suddha Unnata Ujjwala Samai Bhagavat Radha Krishna Upasana. So Prabodhananda, especially Prabodhananda Saraswati Pad, he came in Vrindavan and he was staying in Lukluki Kunda. When you are in Kambavan, when you are used to go Charan Pahari, in the Charan Pahari very close, there one Kunda that is called Lukluki Kunda, and where Prabodhananda Saraswati Pad, he performed bhajan and sadhan, and also remembering the very nice, beautiful pastimes. And he also performed bhajan and sadhan in Vrindavan. Then his Samadhi Mandir also nearby Kaliyadaha, and Prabodhananda Saraswati Pad, he also wrote all the sweets Grantha, and before I also mention, and Vrindavan Satakam Radhara Sudhanadi Chaitanya Charitamritam Sangit Madhav Ascharya Ras Prabandha, and Kambij Gayatri Git Govindam commentary. In this way, Prabodhananda Saraswati Pad, he wrote. So Prabodhananda Saraswati Pad, especially his one grantha that is called Radha Rasa Sudhanidhi, and only glorified about Srimati Radhika. And in the beginning, few slokas, very humble, he paid his obeisances to Srimati Radhika. But first he is saying, I cannot pay the direct, I cannot pay my direct pranam to Lotus feet of Srimati Radhika. In which direction Srimati Radhika, she is saying, I pay that direction. Jasya kadapi vasanancan kalanatta dannati danna pavanan kitartamani. Jagindra durgam gati madhusudanopi tasastano vishabhanu bhuvo disopi. Yeah. Jat kinkrisu bhuso kholu kaku vani nityam parasa purusa sikhanda muli jasya kadar sanidhi vishabhanu jaya tat kilikunji bhavanangana marjani sham. And Prabhupada Saraswati Pad, very humble, he is saying, I have no qualification and to serve to Srimati Radhika. This is called his humility, Daina. And in this verse, he is saying, and if I take birth in Vrindavan, the broomstick of Nidhuvan, then my life will be successful. Why? Because when Srimati Radhika she did man, and then Varinandan Samsundar Sikipincha Mauli, and how he bowed down his forehead, lotus feet of, and the Manjari and Sakhis, and asking how Srimati Radhika and would turn his face towards him, and so for the Jatkin Krisu Bohuso Kholu Kaku Vani, Nittang Parasa Purusa Sikhanda Mauli, Yasha Kadar Sanadi Visavhanu Jaya, Tat Kalikunji Bhavanangana Marjanishan. So Prabhupada Saraswati Pad in his Radhara Sudhanandi so many glorification about him, Srimati Radhika. Very nice, beautiful this Grantha also. And Prabhupada Saraswati Pad, he also wrote Navadip Satakam and Vrindavan Satakam, glorification of Vrindavan, Chaitanya Chandramrit Grantha, and he also glorified about Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Without taking shelter, lotus feet of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, no one can attain to Krishna, who is the beloved of the gopis. Without taking shelter, Navadip Dham, no one can attain to Vrindavan. So Prabhupada Saraswati Pad, so glorification of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and his abode Dham, Gaur Dham and Gaura Sundar. Yatha Yatha Gaura Padar Vinde Vinde Dhua Kitapanda Punja Tatha Tidoridi Akasman Radha Padambujo Sudham Purashi. In this way, Prabhupada Saraswati Pad, so many glorify our Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. And one who completely surrendered the spirit of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. And spontaneous, he will become the maidservant of Srimati Radhika, Radha Dasya. So now coming to Prabhupada Saraswati Pad, well, the Rasik Acharya also, and perform bhajan sadhan and in Vrindavan and in different place and this way. And so now coming in this one thing, just we also discuss some people and Upper Sampradayas, Babaji Sampradayas, they also demand the Prabhupada Saraswati Pad and Prakashananda, same person. This is very debate class. So our Gaudiya Sampradayas, they cannot tolerate those who are the line of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, and especially those are coming in the line of Bhakti Siddhanta Prabhupada, and they cannot tolerate this philosophy. This is complete misconception. The Prabhupada and Prakashananda both are same. Because in Bhakti Ratnakar, Chaitanya Bhagavad, Chaitanya Charitamritam, so many evidence and explained in these all these granthas. When Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he was staying in Navadip, that time once Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu absorbed in the mood of Barahadev, and that time Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu very angry, and he also told, and Guptavake Prabhutis Tusta Hoi Baraha Isar Ved Prati Krodh Kari Bale Uttar Hastapad Mugmor Nahi Kalocan বেদে মোর এই মতো করে বিড়ম্বন কাশিতে পড়ায় বেটা প্রকাশানন্দ সেই বেটা করে মোর অঙ্গ খণ্ড খণ্ড বাখানে বেদ মোর বিগ্রহ না মানে, সর্বাঙ্গ হইল কুষ্ঠ তবু নাহি জানে। সর্বযজ্ঞময় মোর যে অঙ্গ পবিত্র, অজভব আদি গায় যাহার চরিত্র। পূর্ণ পবিত্রতা পায় যে অঙ্গ পরশে, তাহা মিথ্যা বলে বেটা কেমনে সাহসে। হুম, বলিতে প্রভু হইল ঈশ্বর আবিষ, দন্ত কর্মরি করি বলে বিশেষ। সন্ন্যাসী প্রকাশানন্দ বসে কাশিতে, মোরে খণ্ড খণ্ড বেটা করে ভালো মতে। পড়ায় বেদান্ত মোর বিগ্রহ না মানে, কুষ্ঠ করাইনু অঙ্গে তবু নাহি জানে। অনন্ত ব্রহ্মাণ্ড মোর যে অঙ্গেতে বইছে, তাহা মিথ্যা বলে বেটা কেমন সাহসে। সত্য কহু মুরারি আমার তুমি তুমি দাস, যে না মানে মোর অঙ্গ সেই যায় না। সত্যম লীলা কর্ম সত্যমোর স্থান, ইহা মিথ্যা বলে মোর করে খান খান। দ্বিজ শ্রবণে যদি অবিদ্যা নাশ, পাপী অধ্যাপকে বলে মিথ্যা সে বিলাস। হেন পূর্ণ কীর্তিকর প্রতি অনাদর যার, সে কভু না জানে গুপ্ত মোর অবতার। চৈতন্য ভাগবত very clearly explain this way when Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu performed sweet lila in Navadvip Dham, and one day Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu absorbed in a mood of Barahadev Bhagavan, Gupta Bhagya Tushtoda Baraha Ishwar. Then Mahaprabhu told him, Murari, you know, in Kasi, Prakashananda, he gave class about Vedanta, but he does not know the perfect meaning of Vedanta. And he did not accept my transcendental body Aprakita Vigraha. So for this regard, I gave him leprosy, Kushtabhyadhi. But still he did not realize these things. Brahma, Shiv, all they also glorified my lotus feet. I have beautiful form. Ved, Puran, Upanishad. Everywhere glorified my beautiful form. Baraha, Viran, Notable Bopu, Karna, Karnikan, Vibrata, Vasu, Konakabishan, Vijantumaram, Randhanu, Vino, Radha Sudaya, Purana, Gopurindai, Vrindaran, Sapadamanang, Pravisati. So I have beautiful form this way. Ved, Puran, Upanishad. And I have transcendental form. I have transcendental legs, hands, eyes, everything. And so ikkhata. And in this way, Vedanta Sutra also explain this. And but Nirvisheshvadi Prakashananda, he also explained, I have no form, no Nirakar, Nirvishesh. So that means when Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he was in Navadvip Dham, and that time Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu told Prakashananda Saraswati, he was impartialist. And now Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu took sannyas after few years. Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu took sannyas. Then Lord Chaitanya Jagannath Puri. Then Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu traveled in South India, again returned back Jagannath Puri and performed Ratha Yatra festival. Then Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu came in Vrindavan. And after taking darshan in Vrindavan, then Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu came in Kashi. And that time Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu also discussed all these philosophy with Prakashananda Saraswati. So now question is coming, how possible if Prakashananda, Prabodhananda is same? How possible is same? Because Lord, before he was Mayavadi sannyasi, then he became Sri Sampradaya's devotee, that is called Prabodhananda. Then again, how possible he become now Mayavadi sannyasi, and Mahaprabhu met with him? It is impossible. So for this regard, our Guru Varga, especially Srila Gurudev Narayana Goswami Maharaj, very nicely explained this way. They are very clearly explained. Prakashananda ये एकदंडी संप्रदाय शंकर संप्रदाय सन्यासी and our Prabhupada Saraswati, he, he was the Brahmanas of Mysore. Then he came from Sriranga Pravasi এবং রামানুজীয় ত্রিদণ্ডী জয়াস্বামী। Then Prakashananda Saraswati, and he was Kasi Mayavadi impartialist, the followers of Shankaracharya. And Prabhupada Saraswati Pad, he was residents of Kambovan Vasi, because Prabhupada performed bhajan sadhan in Kambovan Vaishnav. So in this way, Gurudev very clearly explained. Prakashananda, he nirvisheshvadi, Prabhupada Saraswati was Savisheshvadi, Achinta Vedavid Tattva Asrita. One is called the devotees of Vishnu, and another is called the devotees of against of Vishnu Vaishnav Virodhi. So how possible two persons would be same? And especially Gopal Bhatta Goswami and very clearly explained the Prabhupada Saraswati Pad is his guru also. And one is called Bhakta Kula Chudamani. So how possible he will be Mayavadi and Prakashananda Saraswati? So how possible same person he will be Prakashananda and Prabodhananda? And so Gurudev gave very nice, prominent examples and evidence from Shastra. And Bhakti Ratnakar very clearly explained. If you read Bhakti Ratnakar, composed by Narahari Chakravarti, very clearly explained in this way. Ghanasam Das. त्रिमूल भट्ट वेंकट भट्ट और प्रबोधानंद तीन भ्रातार प्रणाधन गौरचंद्र लक्ष्मी नारायण उपासक এই तीन पूर्वेते राधा कृष्ण रसे मत्त प्रभुर कृपाते तिरुमलय वेंकट भट्ट प्रभुनंद तीने विचारे प्रभु बिने रहिब के मने मोर सबार संगे परिहास के करिबे कावेरीते स्नानते संगे केवा लइया जाबे। चारि मास परे प्रभु लइला विदाय तीन भाई क्रंदन करेन उभराय प्रभु तीन भ्रातार करिया लिंगन कहिला अनेक प्रबोध वचन यह कहे प्रबोधानंदेर गुण गुण अति सर्वत्र हईल ख्याति ज्योति सरस्वती पूर्ण ब्रह्म श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य भगवान तार प्रियतार बिना सपने नहीं आन। And very clearly Bhakti Ratnakar this point. Gurudev and Sri Narayana Goswami Maharaj point out this point. Very clearly explained. And Trimal Bhatta, Venkat Bhatta or Prabodhananda, they are near dear Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. And before they also worship Lakshmi Narayan. Then they completely intoxicated with the divine melodies of Radha and Krishna, because this is the mercy of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. And again also explain Tirumala Bhatta, Venkat Bhatta, Prabodhananda Tine, Vichare Prabhu Bine Rohibo Kemane. And they also thinking how will survive our life when it's separate from Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. And they remembering this the sweet pastimes, who will joke with us, who will take us when used to go take bath in the Kaveri river. And Kaveri snante sange keval hoiya jabi. Chari mas Prabhu hoila viday. After 4 months, when Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu almost left their house, then the 3 brothers they cried. Then Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and Yatin Prabhu Bhratar Kori Alingan, he are very clearly explained. Then Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu embraced the 3 brothers, and Tirumala Bhatta, Venkat Bhatta, and Prabodhananda. And so then, and Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was specified to them. And some also go when Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu came in Srirangam, that time Prabodhananda Saraswati Pad he took sannyas, he left his house. This is not true. Those who are saying they have to read Bhakti Ratnakar Grantha, very clearly explained. 4 months, 3 brothers, they were staying with Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, especially Prabodhananda Saraswati. Here saying Trimula Bhatta, Venkat Bhatta, Prabodhananda Tine, Bichare Prabhu Bine Rohiba Kemone. And still Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was staying in their house. They are thinking, after 4 months, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu leave our house. So how will survive our separation from Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu? And they remembering this thing, that is called Bhavi Viraha. And Gopi, 3 types of Viraha. And one is called Bhavi Viraha, one is called Bhavan Viraha, and another is called Bhavva Viraha. If you want to know about these 3 types of separation, you have to read Ujjal Linmani Grantha, and very clearly explain 3 kinds of viraha. And Srimad Bhagavatam gives evidence the 3 kinds of viraha: bhavi viraha, bhavan viraha, and bhavva viraha. And Akrur, when he came in Nandagaon, and that time Nanda Maharaj also declared, tomorrow Krishna Balaram will go Mathura. And when heard these things, then Gopis, they felt pang of separation from Krishna. That is called Bhavi Viraha. Still Krishna in Vrindavan, Nandagam. Or Gopis, they are feeling separation from Krishna. And tomorrow, all in the morning, Krishna, he will go Vrindavan to Mathura. And when this message spread, and all over the Vrindavan as like the fire, and that the Gopis, they felt pang of separation from Krishna, and all they also express their heart to each other, and sitting their different groups, Sajatiya Sangha. So this is called the Bhavi Viraha. So here also same way, here Prabodhananda, Saraswati Pad, Venkat Bhatta, Tirumala Bhatta, they also felt pang of separation from Krishna. Still Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is staying in their house, but they are thinking, after 4 months, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu will leave us, and how will survive our life? And for this regard, they are saying, Mosavar Sange Parihas Ke Karibe, and future tense. Kabari Nadite Sane Loya Keva Jabe, future tense. Very clearly read these things. So they felt the pang of separation from Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. This is very clearly explained. That is called Bhavi Viraha. 3 ভাই ক্রন্দন করিলে উভরায়, প্রভু 3 ভ্রাতার করি আলিঙ্গন, কইলা অনেক রূপ প্রবোধ বচন. When Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu left their place, before leave their place, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu also embraced the 3 brothers. Here, Prabhu 3 bhratar kori alingan. Lord, before leave their house, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu embraced the 3 brothers, Prabodhananda, Prakash, how do you call Venkat Bhatta and Tirumala Bhatta. And so very clearly explained, those who are saying that Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, when arrived in their house, that Prabodhananda Saraswati was not in their house, because they are not reading this Grantha. This is the evidence from Bhakti Ratnakar. They have to read Bhakti Ratnakar. Then all their problem will be solved. Otherwise, they will be misleading or mispreaching to the others. And Yakai Pranandir Gun Oti, Sarvatra Hilakati, Jyoti Saraswati, Purna Brahma Sri Krishna Chaitanya Bhagavan, Tahar Priya Taharabina Sapne Nahi An, and Prabodhananda Saraswati Pad, and in their heart completely absorbed with Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Even their dream, and only Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. They are saying Purna Brahma Krishna Chaitanya Bhagavan, Tar Priya Taha Bina Sapne Nahi An. And even their dream not coming except Krishna. So in this way very clearly explained. Or Prakashananda is Mayavadi sannyasi. Baddha Jiva. Completely what? Baddha Jiva. Prabodhananda is the nearest dear of Srimati Radhika. That is called Nangavid Dasaki. So how possible to compare with Prakashananda and Prabodhananda, same person? Very clear. Gurudev gave so many evidence. In this book, everybody have to read Prabandha Panchakam Grantha, and especially Gurudev so many gave evidence from Chaitanya Bhagavat, Chaitanya Charitamritam, and also Grantha Bhakti Ratnakar. Because sometimes Sahajiya Babaji Sampradaya, they give the evidence from Bhaktamal Grantha. Actually, this Bhaktamal Grantha manifested by Sahajiya Sampradayas. This is no evidence. Some Hindi Bhaktamal Grantha and so Bengali Bhaktamal Grantha. So that is not the authentic. No pramanik. Authentic. That is not authentic. So Gurudev gave very nice evidence in their and cut their philosophy. So and Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu also delivered Prakashananda Saraswati this way. In Chaitanya Charitamritam, Chaitanya Bhagavat, very clearly explained this way. Those who are not properly reading to Chaitanya Bhagavat and Chaitanya Charitamritam, they cannot understand. So they have to read Chaitanya Charitamritam and Chaitanya Bhagavat, especially Chaitanya Charitamritam, Adi Lila, 7th chapter. And also Madhya Lila, 25th chapter. Discuss about all these tattva. You have then you understand about Prakashananda and Prabodhananda. And Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu delivered also Prakashananda Saraswati, who was completely what? Mayavadi. Here we explain this way. So I will not take too much your time. What is your time? So in this way, everybody have to read this Grantha and compare with Prakashananda and Prabodhananda Saraswati. So Gur Premanandi Hari Hari Bolo. Thank you. Jai Jai Sri Radhe.